At CES 2024, a young startup debuted its AI device, the Rabbit R1. Within just 24 hours, the company pre-sold a whopping 10,000 units, surpassing their target of 500 units. But what's the deal with the device? We're used to having digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant around, setting alarms and reminders, turning up your music, and occasionally firing your friend a text. But the Rabbit R1, a quirky-looking orange, squarish device half the size of an iPhone, promises to take this to the next level, becoming a real assistant. Want to book yourself an Uber home? Press a button on the side of the R1 and simply ask it to. Just joined a group conversation and want a gist of what's happening? The R1's camera, one that can rotate 360 degrees and nicknamed the Rabbit Eye, can do that. The R1 will also be able to plan your holiday and book your family and yourselves travel tickets and hotel accommodation, after seeking your confirmation, of course. But what sets Rabbit apart from other artificial intelligence-powered assistants is a LAM, or Large Action Model, under the hood, working in tandem with large language models, or LLM. While LLMs, like the one powering ChatGPT, focus on understanding and generating text, LAMs are all about understanding and executing actions in the real world, combining language understanding with problem-solving and decision-making, while learning from new experiences and adapting to situations. LLMs can be thought of as master storytellers with the ability to weave intricate narratives. LAMs, however, are skilled actors who not only comprehend scripts, but also perform actions and adapt to surroundings, breathing life into the story. But how does the Rabbit R1 do its magic? Well, the answer to that lies in two tricks up its sleeve. The R1 does not have any apps, and neither does it pair with your phone. Instead, it relies on a web portal where you can log into your accounts on platforms such as Uber and Spotify, granting Rabbit OS, the R1's operating system, the ability to perform your bidding. Since Rabbit does not store any entered credentials, your personal data remains safe. But the trump card in Rabbit's arsenal is its ability to learn through observation. Just like us humans, the Rabbit can learn complex tasks by demonstration, thanks to its LAM. Just imagine all the things that might be possible in the future. Rabbit isn't available as an app on Android or iOS and is instead a standalone device. This decision is a welcome choice, given our vulnerability to notifications, often scrolling endlessly when all we wanted was to check the time. The Rabbit offers a way out, handling our tasks efficiently and with ease. Imagine being rich enough to have an assistant of your own, doing many of your tasks. The Rabbit is as close as it gets, without breaking the bank. Priced at $199 and no additional subscription fees, the R1 is indeed the modern-day magic lamp to your Aladdin, summoning the genie within to do your bidding when you press the push-to-talk button. The Rabbit could very well be what sets off the AI revolution truly. High praise, but deserving of the Rabbit R1. Rabbit collaborated with Swedish industrial designers Teenage Engineering to co-develop the design of R1. And boy oh boy, it shows! A retro modern design, coupled with tactile buttons, make the R1 undeniably desirable. While the team behind the Rabbit denies the R1 to be a replacement for your phone, positioning the device to streamline your routine instead. The way things are, we wouldn't be surprised if people were to leave their phones behind in favor of the R1 or future Rabbit devices a few years from now.